It's a nice day. Blue skies. It's not hot. It feels wonderful. Actually, as I'm walking through and I get a little breeze, it feels a little cool. Yesterday I was out here, my feet were burning on the pavement and it was so hot, I immediately started sweating until I got up here into the shade. But maybe I'm just out here a little earlier. What is this? What is this? An earplug. Okay. Looked like an earplug. But anyway, as I'm walking out here, that's the sassafras tree right here. I had identified this tree the other day, and pretty little sassafras leaves. Nice little tree. There's also a magnolia tree right here. You see the little magnolia? So I got two nice trees right there growing together. Magnolia and a sassafras. And some kind of old dead thing. Anyway, back to what I was doing. So, I have a problem. I don't know. I have a problem. 2006 Volkswagen Beetle, bug, whatever you want to call it, going down the interstate. The left headlight, the whole module just pops out. Boom, it's gone. It's on the side of the road. It's on the side of the interstate now. I drove through that area looking for it. You know, when you start looking for things, you find a lot of stuff. So as I'm driving down the interstate and there's a lot of traffic, right? I'm looking. I'm like, can I spot this headlight? Can I spot the headlight? Where's that? I see all kinds of junk. You'd be amazed at how much junk is on the side of the road. And I think, I'm not sure, but I think I spotted the headlight. But it's in a bad spot. It's not like I could just stop on the side of the interstate in the median and get out of my vehicle and walk over there, right, and retrieve the headlight. Is the headlight damaged? I don't know. I would think so. I would think that if a headlight, and most of these headlights these days are not glass, so it's not like they're going to shatter when they hit the ground. They're plastic, right? Plastic breaks and shatters too. Plastic scratches up, dents. So I'm going to assume that headlight is useless now. So why would I go put myself into a bad safety situation and try to find the headlight and retrieve it? Well, one reason is I would want to see, why did that headlight pop out like that? Why did the headlight jump off the car and just run away? Did it not like me? Did it not like us? What's the deal? What's the dealio, man? Now check this out. Check this out. No reason whatsoever that I could see. It's not like something smacked into the car. It's not like something just reached in there and grabbed it. The wind, for some reason, I don't know why. And I'm looking at this, I'm like, how on earth does that light attach in there anyway? I don't know. It's weird. It's got a connector here. You would think that connector would have been latched in. Huh. It's weird. Yeah, the thing just jumped out. And it's gone. So now we've got one eye socket empty. We're blind. That one's in there solid. This one is in there. Right? This one is old. This one over here was nice and shiny. It was a nice shiny new one. I did not install it. I don't know who did. But it really seems like, I don't know. Does this thing kind of latch it in? I don't know how these things work. I gotta do some research, don't I? Alright. Alright, well anyway, I gotta get back in there. I got a meeting to attend. I'll talk to you later.